Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So you guys are coming to work with me again today. I have two clients. The first client is a full set. The second client is a refill and refill acrylic toes. So that's what we're doing today. And then at the end, of course, I'm going to tell y'all how much I need. Yeah, and if you guys can't tell, I got my hair cut. Y'all, look at how short it is. I got it so much freaking shorter than it was before. But yeah, so I cut it super short because I just wanted to get it like really healthy, and when it grows back, you know, it'll be healthy. So I just keep telling myself, it's just hair, it'll grow back, it'll grow back. Anyways, so now I'm just waiting for my client to come. She's getting like some type of clear chrome with like, I don't know, like y'all will see, like it's kind of strange, but you know, I'm always down for a little creativity, so we'll see how that set goes. But yeah, let's get into it. My setup, as y'all know, I got my new Kiara Sky drill and I got the new lamp, so yeah. Also got a new tripod to record. That way, like, it looks over the set, you know? So, yeah. So my client is here now. She's here, like, super freaking early. But, we're all set and we're ready. So I'm going to go grab her now. And, yeah, let's get started. You wanted to do, like, clear with the clear chrome.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the hollow front.
Okay. Sounds good. It's, like, a little different. Like, I don't think I've seen that.
Yeah. I have pictures. It's just my work doesn't allow nails.
Oh, okay. So you have to be a little bit
So like
undercover.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like something like that. Like that.
Okay, hold on. Sorry. Let me just
Like
put it
I don't know.
so I can see over here. Okay, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. Yeah, so I just finished her set. Her remaining balance was $70, so that set in total was $90. So we just finished that. Now I just have to clean up the room, and I think I might go to Starbucks because, ow. Come on. All right. Anyways, I think I might go to Starbucks because they have $3 drinks today, and I think I need a coffee. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean up and set up and then see how much time I have left. See ya. And I'm getting out the tools for my next client. New file. And a buffer. And then also a new e-file. Sandwich. Okay. Then let me just get my Lysol. Okay. Then I have this Lysol. I'm just gonna spray the chair, workstation. Yep. And, and then I'm also spraying my petty chair because she's getting her toes too. Like that. And then Febreze. So everything is disinfected, all set up for my next client. I'm gonna put this tripod back up. Why is it spinning around so much though? It needs to stay still. Anyways, put that there. The tripod back set up, everything is all set up. See if I can sneak and go to Starbucks real quick. I have 40 minutes, so let's see. I need gas, so I don't even know if I should. Okay, so my husband bought my daughter this kinetic stand that we're about to open real quick for her.
Hi.
Me, I always be talking to people.
Open it first. And we'll open up like this. And then we'll open the scene up. That's easy to do. And I'm going to open these.
Okay, where do you dump the sand? Inside here?
Sandbox.
Wow. Issa, what was the rule about the sand? I already forgot.
They can only play if there's an adult with
an adult. Okay.
Cause I don't want the sand to be getting all over the place.
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe we should put like a towel on the floor or something. Like.
But it connects together at least, so like you can bunch it up.
Yeah. But I don't know.
It shouldn't be too messy. But the kids by themselves playing with it, don't put it places and hide it places. That's the problem.
Right.
Well, the babies will. Mia might too, honestly. I don't think they're all right.
You have tools, okay, Mia? You can make sandcastles.
If I order my drink through the app, you could probably get a drink there yourself for $3.
Oh, we
You
have to
might
do
have
separate?
Because they only have one.
She lucky cut.
It's nice sand.
Shape.
Right? Isn't this cool?
Yeah, it never dries out
So
too.
much better.
Wow.
Dang, they could have gave her more sand though.
I know, it's kind of cheap.
There's a 2 pounds of sand. Like, that's nothing.
Got more things too. More too.
I got it on sale too, actually.
You did?
Yeah, look at Daddy made.
Wow.
Wow. So you could build such better sandcastles.
Look what I made.
Yep. If you want to move them around, so you take your stencil, get your little shovel, you shovel out some sand, put it in your stencil, pack it in.
Hell.
See, make sure you pack it in nice.
This is good sensory for Zaire too.
Oh, yeah, wait, man, I'm still showing you. Yeah, I'm also just scared with him. Alright, once it's all nice and packed in like that, take it, flip it upside down.
Whoa.
Perfect shape. You see?
My client just got here and my man got me Starbucks. So yeah, we're about to get into this set. Whatever you can. Calm down. The joke I'm playing on big time. That shit said doo doo. My toe now, bro. Oh my gosh. That's fine. I was fucking cleaning and my couch hit my toe. Oh my god, girl, that's the worst. I was so aggravated. Alright, let me this girl probably sick and tired of me hanging up with her. So before the night is over, we just about to sanitize the rest of these tools because I used 3 sets of tools today. So we gotta sanitize all these tools. So we're just gonna add the barber side. We have to add like 2, 3 tools. So there they go. We have the little drill bits in here soaking. I also have a client at 9:30 in the morning tomorrow, and I drop my daughter off at school at 9, so I have to make sure that the room is ready for tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that right now too. And then I have to change over the light because I was using it over here to do tools. So we're gonna switch this. Lysol. Well, this is not Lysol. This is like a organic version of Lysol, basically. Lysol everything. And then we got out all her tools. So everything's all set for tomorrow. All right, y'all. So I'm done with my clients. I made today to 10, and I was working from 10 to 3:30. So that's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5 hours. I mean, $210. What is that? So that's like $42 an hour, which is good because I try to make $40 an hour. That's my, goal. But yeah, so thanks for spending the day with me, y'all. I'm tired. I'm about to get ready for bed. And yeah, thanks. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you stay to the end, leave a pink heart so I know you're a real one. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.